Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we're going to show you how to view your Interac e-transfer history on RBC app. If you don't have a Royal Bank account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. We will also put affiliate links for similar bank accounts for you to sign up in case if you're interested. To start, open the app by tapping on it. Now, sign into your account. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on Move Money. Under Move Money, you will see an option for Interac e-transfer. Tap on Interac e-transfer. On this screen, you will see a section for managing transfers. Under it is an option for history. Tap on History. And here you will see your transfer history. That's how you view your Interac e-transfer history on RBC app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.